Hi and welcome to my facechart channel. In today's video, I'm Barbifying my gorgeous Barbie-inspired facechart. If you're wondering how this Barbielicious facechart is made, make sure to watch the video tutorial of the full process. After finishing the facechart, I thought it would be so fun to cut out some lips and eyeshadows. All you need is some sheets of colored paper, a knife, scissors, and transparent paper. If you love makeup and art and like to learn how to create facechart, then watch this video till the end and start with this free facechart template. If you want to make facechart like this, start with this Barbie template. Download it for free and I'll show you how to gain facechart skills in no time.